Hello, you guys, welcome back to my channel. Keep sparkling, you diamonds. My diamond crew, you are the best. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. The opportunity is knocking. Open that positive door. Keep sparkling, keep shining. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Now, this second video of this morning is from a company called Floor Doctors, and the job role for this job is customer service representative, and it's based out in Seattle, Washington. It's remote job, and it's $20 per hour part-time. So anybody who needs a job for part-time, this will be the perfect job for you. Only you have to do is click over and apply. This is the website. I will be posting it down in the description link below. And let's get into it. The resume you have for experience. On your resume, you have to have experience in iOS and associate's degree. And it's paid weekly. They're paying weekly for this job. And it is a part-time job position once again. And flexible scheduling. For the benefits, you have flexible scheduling, opportunities for advancements, paid training, work from home. Floor Doctor is an industry-leading residential and commercial title and grout restoration company. Is currently interviewing for positions in customer service and sales positions. Primary responsibilities include working with staff and customers virtually, answering questions, and scheduling appointments. Prior experience is not required. We believe in building our people from the ground up and simultaneously allowing them to expand on their natural abilities in order to launch them into a successful career. Some conditions apply, but they aren't any upfront fees or no costs to start working for our company. We offer flexible schedules, which are great for anyone with another job, students working around classes, or anyone looking for flexible work. The hours are Monday through Friday, 5 days per week, 20 to 30 hours per week. And the responsibilities you have as a customer service rep for Floor Doctors is general clerical duties, including typing, photocopying, and printing. Keep sensitive information highly confidential at all times. Schedule and coordinate meetings, estimates, and appointments. Tie workflow to schedule. Diagnose errors or technical problems and determine proper solutions. Manage equipment inventory. Follow all companies' field procedures and file procedures and protocols. Assist with the hiring workflow, including screening candidates, conducting interviews and training, comprehend customer requirements, and make appropriate recommendations, briefings, and build positive relationships with customers. The requirements will be proof of U.S. citizenship, English literacy, valid driver's license, high school degree, or equivalent. Additional experience as an administrative assistant or secretary is a plus but not necessary. Familiarity with mobile tools and applications, ability to provide excellent customer service, ability to manage stress well. Must be a professional who doesn't mind wearing multiple hats. Must be able to work independently with little or no supervision. Must be well organized yet flexible. Equipment you must have for work: desktop or laptop computer with Windows 8.1, Windows 10, or Mac OS 10.15 or newer. No Chromebook, Windows 7, Windows 8 RT, or Windows 10s. Antivirus, anti-malware software, 6 gigabytes of RAM. Minimum internet you upload speed is 6 megabits per second and 10 megabytes per of download speed. Wired USB headset with microphone, which is compatible with our systems. Ethernet cable hardwired into your modem router. Wi-Fi is not permitted due to security and bandwidth constraints. Computer must be hardwired to your modem, router, or gateway. USB to Ethernet converter. If your computer does not have an Ethernet port, monitor 15 inches or larger with minimum resolution of 1024 by 768. Web camera built in or external with minimum resolution of 640 by 480. iOS cell phone or an Android cell phone. Perks and benefits, guaranteed salary, paid weekly, direct deposit, paid company training, no experience needed, advancement opportunities we promote from within, work from home, steady year-round work, flexibility, you create your own schedule, you will be independently hired, working at your own pace, no weekends, no nights or holiday, no weekends, nights or holidays. And Floor Dollars is an equal opportunity employer. We are actively interviewing for this position. Apply today by clicking the button below to or above below to fill out our job application form, and our hiring manager will follow up. This this job was posted 30 days ago, but they are still currently hiring because it is on Indeed as of August the 12th of 2022, this morning on a Friday morning. So they are definitely still hiring, and you guys can put in your application with Floor Doctors. The job position, the job role will be customer service representative. So this applies $20 per hour. It's part-time for $20 per hour. That sounds so good. This is the website, and I will place it in the description down below. And it'll go right back over what I was saying, and I gave an overview of the job through Indeed. But this is the website, and you will be able to apply. Now, the next job is called Nova 401k entry level opportunity, no experience is required, and it's a 401k plan analyst. And with this job is located in Houston, Texas. And I will place the job link down in the description below for this job. And the opportunities for advancements, they have paid time off. These are the benefits and paid training. Are you a college graduate who is still unsure about what you want to do? Working in the 401k industry is a vibrant and stable profession with the focus on career growth. Nova 401k Associates is a rapidly growing national third-party administration firm providing administrative services to companies sponsoring 401k pension and other qualified retirement plans. We have a nationally recognized sales team allowing us to grow continuously and provide advancement opportunities for our professionals. We are looking to fill a distribution specialist one position. Although welcome industry experience is not necessary and paid training will be provided, candidates will also be required to successfully complete the NIPA distribution administrator and loan administrator certificates. In order to pass the 3 required exams, most individuals must invest time studying during personal time. For additional information on the Distribution Administrator and Loan Administrator Certificate Program, please visit NIPA's website at www.nipa.org. The distributions specialist 1 will be expected to work normal business hours 7:30 a.m. to 4 o'clock p.m. Monday through Friday. This job can be done remotely. If you live near our Houston office, you will be given the opportunity to work a hybrid schedule. Job responsibilities: prepare distribution and loan packages from start to finish, including vesting verifications for daily record kept plans, individual loan defaults and MRDs from reports online or provided by plan sponsors. Assist participants, clients, and or financial advisors with distribution and loan issues inquiries. Update account and managers, management, and plan sponsors as necessary on requests and progresses. Serve as a backup for answering the Nova participant service lines. And these are the qualifications. I'll go through them briefly. No experience is required. Bachelor's degree required. Bilingual speaking is a plus. Knowledge of modern office procedures and methods, including telephone communications, office systems, and record keeping. inability to handle and resolve recurring problems, and superior organizational and coordination skills, flexibility, adaptability, and ability to multitask. We get it, we listen, we communicate. And this job was posted 10 days ago, but they are still currently hiring with Nova 401k associates. No experience is required. It's a plan analyst. This job position is a plan analyst. And if you guys see that this video is resourceful, give it a thumbs up. Keep on shining and sparkling, you guys. This is it for my video for today. And success is the first key. Persistence, consistency is key. Persistence, persistence, persistence. Consistency. Keep on going, you guys. You guys got this. And I hope you get hired on very soon. And have a great day. See you guys later.